Hi, my name is Vivian Lovecchio, and this is Human Fear Towards Wolves. A little introduction. Beautiful wild creatures such as wolves have been around for many years. They became man's best friend, yet somehow at the same time they became one of the most feared predators. With all this false information about wolves being aggressive going around, they would slowly be removed from their ecosystem. Yellowstone was the beginning of a complete wipeout of wolves. Yellowstone's ecosystem started to fail. Plants were overeaten by elk and deer. Elk and deer population increased by tons, and the other animals living there were forced out of their home. Wolves were finally reintroduced into Yellowstone, and the ecosystem finally healed. Plants grew back, deer and elk populations declined, and other animals returned to their homes. Even with the positive results, there are some who still fear the wolf and would rather that they stay permanently eliminated. Some history and background. Yellowstone National Park was one of the first parks to have wolves eliminated and then reintroduced, with a 69-year gap in between elimination and reintroduction. 80% of wolves are killed by humans, even with the protection laws in place. Several states like Illinois and Wisconsin have given the residents of that state questionnaires based on if the residents felt comfortable reintroducing wolves or keeping the wolves eliminated. Depending on the areas of the states, from farm to city, ranged on how many people disagreed with welcoming the wolves back. Farmers, scared for their livestock being killed, were quick to vote no. And some city people were afraid that wolves would attack them, their pets, or their children. Only so few who knew the truth about wolves want them back in the ecosystem, letting Mother Nature heal. Something else that I'd like to add is that Colorado is actually totally against reintroduction of wolves due to the fact that they fear just how populated of a state they are, that wolves would get too close to the population. And there are many states, like the one I'm currently in, Arizona, who are still trying to be warmed up to the idea of having more wolves out in the wild where they belong. From my perspective, I have always been fascinated with wolves since a very young age. Protecting them meant a lot to me. They are the reason I'm going into wildlife conservation. Seeing these magnificent creatures being eliminated from their homes just because of the fear that was driven in humans many years ago is devastating. I believe that humans should leave animals alone in their ecosystem to let the natural cycle continue the way it was before humans ruined it. I feel there shouldn't be a fear towards wolves. There has been no cases reported of wolf attacks. You hear about bear attacks, you hear about mountain lion attacks, you hear even about deer attacks. Yet, you don't really hear about a wolf attack unless it had rabies. That's the only time. So I feel that there should be no fear towards these magnificent creatures who are now related to the dogs that we have today. For future research, social media is one of the best ways to reach out to millions and millions of people to show them just how important it is for wolves to be back in the wild. Being able to show everyone the positive results wolves have on their ecosystem should hopefully be able to lessen the fear towards the wolves that should have never been there in the first place. I feel that Yellowstone did not get the attention it deserved. It needs more. Posting everywhere on social media platforms slowly should hopefully lessen the fear and allow people to see just how good wolves are in the ecosystem. Thank you for listening.